Once upon a time, there was a small brown puppy. The puppy's name was Max. Max was very happy and loved to play in the garden. One sunny day, Max saw a butterfly. It was big and blue. Max wanted to catch the butterfly. Max ran after the butterfly. The butterfly flew over the fence. Max jumped over the fence too. He followed the butterfly down the street. Soon the butterfly flew away. Max stopped and looked around. He did not know where he was. Max was lost. He felt scared. The street was big and there were no gardens. Max sat under a tree and started to cry. A little boy saw Max. The boy's name was Jack. Jack loved dogs. He came to Max and said, "Are you lost, little puppy?" Max wagged his tail. Jack looked at Max's collar. There was a name and a phone number. Jack called the number. "Hello, I found a little puppy. His name is Max." Max's owner was very happy. "Thank you. I will come and get him." In a short time, Max's owner arrived. Max barked happily and ran to his owner. Jack smiled and said, "Take care of Max." Max was very happy to go home. After that day, he never followed butterflies again.